Good morning, guys. Today we're going to talk about the VanTrue N3 Dash Cam. I talked a little bit about it yesterday. I took it off the vehicle. I wanted to show you how it connects. It has these rubber mounts that go around the original mirror. It sits on your mirror. The camera's on this side, which is adjustable. You can adjust it to frame the roadway however you like. It's got a speaker over here. On the it's got over here it's got a USB port for the power, an audio video port for your rear camera. It even has a connection for an optional GPS, and here's where your SD card goes, right there. A little bit hard to see. Yeah, so this is the VanTrue N3. I will show you some footage of it, what it looks like on the car. Let's see if we can fire it up here. It has its own battery. I do believe that being that it mounts on the back of the mirror, that it'll probably be more heat resistant than other cameras that are hanging in direct sunlight. The mirror actually will give it a sort of a heat shield. We'll see about that, since I'll be going through this coming summer in Florida. The days are really hot. The cars get over 130 degrees, and that is a detriment to these cameras. That's why I chose this one, among other reasons, that it sits on the mirror stealthy and doesn't hang from the glass where everybody sees it. It's really puts out a pretty good picture. And let's go check the editing. We'll see if see what the video actually looks like. I'll pull some off of the SD card and share it with you. Okay, so here we are with the front camera. The front camera shoots at 1080p. This video has been up-res to 4K because I shoot everything in 4K. So take that into account when you look at the quality of this. It looks really good in 1080p. It's got good color. It works really good at night with the headlights and everything. You still see some color. Now this is the rear camera. The rear camera is standard definition. It's very poor quality, worse than your old standard definition television, but it gets the job done. You know, for the price that I paid, $99, to get both front and rear cameras, the operation is totally satisfactory. So there you have it, guys. There's the operation of the VanTrue N3. It's pretty satisfactory for the price. I'm very pleased with it. If it makes it through the summer, I'll really be pleased with it. We'll only find out, you know, after we go through all this heat that's coming up. So please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll be seeing you soon, hopefully. Thank you very much for watching.